Yeah, hi. Still talking about the same thing. Those tornado things there on La Palma. If they are electric currents or not, I bet they are. There's at least not too much ice crystals. I guess they're floating around wherever. I took screenshots and tried to enhance it a little bit with my really special equipment, which is a phone. Here you can see spiraling it around, and here you can see the walls, the inner walls, and here we have something going on here. You can see by yourself. I don't know if zooming in helps, because the quality isn't that good. That's one of the pictures. That's maybe the same. No, it's not. And that's from the first one, I think. And here you can see those. You know, the screwdriver thing, or screw thing. Same reason why a unicorn has a horn, like a screwdriver. This is a really nice picture. I was claiming before in my previous videos about the same thing, that I probably saw this kind of C-pinch structure or whatever there, where the two currents, the one which is coming from above and the one which is coming from below, where they meet. And I think that's proof for it. And I suggest that we have a quick listen to some man who knows about this a lot. And he is Donald E. Scott. He made the mathematical model to the Birkeland currents or something like that. I'm not a mathematician. Yeah, obviously not. I can't even spell the word. Well, anyway, listen to this guy and watch the picture.
There's the best drawing that I've come upon that shows what happens at a Z-pinch, at a normal Z-pinch. If I were to draw this, I would draw this purple line continued down around the bottom of the blue and back up there. And that would be one of my umbrella-shaped surfaces. Do you see what I'm saying? This purple would come up over the top and then back down here. That's what I think happens. That's why that blue central, almost spherical body, how it's formed. It's the overlap between those arcs, those discharges in the Birkeland pinch, in the Z pinch.
Okay. So, you might want to watch the whole video from Donald E. Scott. I recommend it to you. Then you understand this kind of umbrella shape here and that. So obviously this is the meeting point of those two currents. That's the Z pinch here. In La Palma. Thanks. Bye.